Here's a 2009 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: AM/FM satellite radio, dual-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, power sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, sport suspension, auxiliary audio input, front heated bucket seats, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Consumer Report finds the C-Class has a very quiet interior and a comfortable ride. Handling is agile and secure, and the steering is very precise and communicative. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Contact Jim Ellis Volkswagen of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Industrial.